The realm of Shiba Inu is poised for a significant transformation. Shytoshi Kusama is shaking up the status in unforeseen ways. Significant developments are occurring, and the stakes are at their peak. Anticipate astonishing disclosures. What am I discussing? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has consistently remained dynamic, characterized by many developments and a community that is both vibrant and committed. The current emphasis has shifted to BONE, a coin that has been somewhat overlooked but is essential for Shiba Inu's future. The situation started when Shytoshi Kusama, the enigmatic head of Shiba Inu, ultimately commented on the token, inciting a surge of responses. The stillness was broken, although it was the community's response that garnered attention. A dedicated member of the Shiba Inu community expressed concerns directly to Kusama, highlighting observations that many had discreetly acknowledged. The team seemed to be disregarding essential components of the ecosystem, such as BONE, in favor of introducing fresh goods that, according to critics, were not quite prepared for public release. The tension persisted beyond that point. The community member highlighted a significant problem. Some individuals within the Shiba Inu ranks were unaware of BONE's function. This transcended mere symbolism. The discussion focused on the future of Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain of Shiba Inu, in which BONE is pivotal. They asserted that BONE is not just another token. It serves as the essential fuel for Shibarium, enabling transactions by functioning as the network's gas. Validators depend on BONE to engage in the security and maintenance of the network. It is intriguing because each transaction on Shibarium not only transfers assets, it incinerates Shiba Inu, with a portion of the BONE cost being transformed into Shiba Inu and delivered to a null address, so diminishing the supply and enhancing the ecosystem's value. The evolving situation about BONE and Shytoshi's reaction exemplifies the fervor and intricacies that characterize the Shiba Inu community. It transcends mere new items or ostentatious premieres. It pertains to comprehending the fundamental basis that underpins the whole ecosystem. Unexpectedly, Shytoshi Kusama not only defended BONE. He underscored its significance, noting that BONE is intricately integrated with the administration and tech of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Kusama asserts that BONE is not just another token. It is a fundamental element for the future development of Shiba Inu. The question was not if BONE would get recognition, but rather when it would occur. Nonetheless, despite Kusama's protestations, an undeniable truth persists. BONE has yet to obtain a position on Tier 1 exchanges, such as Binance. The concern extends beyond its present market value. It pertains to the decreased trading volume, with only $3.8 million transacted in the last 24 hours. The absence of movement makes BONE less appealing to prominent exchangers. The Shiba Inu team may need to implement a more robust marketing strategy to enhance BONE's exposure and facilitate its momentum. The future of BONE may significantly shape the subsequent phase for Shiba Inu. Nonetheless, it is evident that more efforts are required to secure its appropriate position inside the cryptocurrency realm. As the scenario seemed to stagnate, an unforeseen event occurred. Recent on-chain data from Shibarium's Con indicates that the volume of new transactions has escalated significantly, rising by more than 600%. Recently, transactions surged from a mere 1,700 to over 11,000, representing the most substantial increase in this critical measure in over a month. The shocks continued thereafter. Shibarium had a significant surge in daily active accounts, escalating from 237 to over 1,000, representing an extraordinary 465% growth. The increase in transactions and active accounts unequivocally indicates a spike of activity on the Shibarium blockchain, demonstrating the dynamic and unexpected nature of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Several factors may account for the significant surge in activity on Shibarium. A possible cause is the recent popularity of Sunpump, a fair startup platform that has just launched on the Tron network. The platform's inception, along with its support by Justin Sun, the inventor of Tron and a prominent holder of Shiba Inu, may have aroused the curiosity of investors and traders, despite the absence of a clear relationship to Shiba Inu. They could be considering Shibarium as an alternative platform to investigate undervalued meme tokens. A probable cause is the recent increase in the price of the Shiba Inu token. In the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu has had an increase over 4%, resulting in a price rebound. This favorable pricing trend has probably stimulated greater interest and engagement on Shibarium. Nonetheless, as is customary with crypto volatility, the prospects for Shiba Inu and Shibarium remain ambiguous. Nonetheless, the prevailing trend indicates that the Shiba Inu environment warrants close observation. Market researcher Javin Marks has identified a falling wedge structure, which often indicates a potential price rise after a decline. Furthermore, Marks observes a consistent bullish divergence, characterized by the price forming lower lows while momentum indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index, exhibit higher lows. This difference indicates that negative momentum is diminishing, reinforcing the argument for a possible price turnaround. Recent research corroborates this hopeful perspective, indicating that Shiba Inu's price has robust support at certain levels, where several investors are now realizing profits. Nevertheless, there may be resistance at somewhat elevated price levels, where some may choose to sell, thus limiting the price's ascent. Should Shiba Inu surpass these elevated thresholds, it may facilitate a significant increase in its value. In this context, Shytoshi Kusama's recent enigmatic tweet heightens the anticipation. Kusama reflected on Shiba Inu's journey by sharing a Dragon Ball Z gift accompanied with a caption. Shiba Inu token's performance over the last 4 years encapsulated in a one tweet. Dragon Ball Z is a renowned Japanese anime series conceived by Akira Toriyama. The series, which started broadcasting in 1989, chronicles the journey of Goku, a teenage fighter striving for greater strength. During his trip, Goku discovers 7 enchanted Dragon Balls capable of fulfilling any desire when assembled. The series is recognized for its amalgamation of adventure and action, highlighting themes of good as evil. It emphasizes characteristics like as trust, loyalty, and collaboration, attributes that align with the Shiba Inu community's commitment and ethos. The Shiba Inu squad, akin to Goku, has underscored the significance of trust and collaboration. They assert that these ideals will facilitate significant accomplishments, with the objective of establishing Shiba Inu as a prominent entity in the cryptocurrency sector. Since its inception as a meme currency in August 2020, Shiba Inu has developed into a complex ecosystem with initiatives like as Shibarium, Shiba Eternity, Shiba Inu, the Metaverse, and Shib Marketplace. These projects resemble the Dragon Balls, each contributing to the project's progression towards relinquishing its meme currency designation. The price escalated from 56 in the 2000s to its current all-time high, indicating an extraordinary increase of almost 153 million%. The significance of Kusama's post is contentious, however many see it as indicative of Shiba Inu's favorable prospects, may be linked to the eagerly awaited launch of Shiba Eternity. This is a pivotal time for conjecture, especially after Lucy's recent declaration about the formal launch of the closed beta for Shiba Eternity, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu team. The launch of this game inside the ecosystem is generating excitement and may indicate a crucial turning point for Shiba Inu. This development generates expectations that Shiba Inu may be poised for a substantial breakthrough, perhaps altering its course in the cryptocurrency domain. What is your perspective on that? Please leave a comment below. I would be keen to hear your perspective. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.